Now we're in JSFIDDLE.net, and this is George Boole. I'm creating a function called TP, to the power. I'm going to pass it a number and an expression in an E. Here's my opening curlies for my function, and I'm going to create a variable called val, assign it the value n. Now, let me jump down here for a second. I'm going to declare a variable called val. I'm going to make it equal to the following. Call the TP function, pass it a 75 and a 2. That gets passed to this function called TP. 75 goes in here, 2 goes in there. I'm going to raise 75 to the 2 power, and I'm going to get back 5625. Variable val is equal to n, so 95 is in val. Do the following. I got a little for loop here. For, now, initialization. I take the variable I, and I declare the variable I, and I assign it the value 1. While I is less than E, I'm going to pass E a 2. 1 is less than 2. It's going to do this, then it's going to come back up here, increment this value, and then it's going to check the condition to see if it should continue processing this for loop. All right, let's see how this goes. So I is equal to 1, and is 1 less than 2? Yes, it is. So it jumps down here and says val, which has 95 in it, equals val times n. So 95, not 95, 75. There's 75 in it, and so val equals 75 times n, 75. 75 times 75 is 5625. That gets assigned back to VAL. Now the system jumps back up here, increments I by 1. Now I is equal to 2. Goes over to the condition section and says, is 2 less than 2? No, it isn't. 2 is equal to 2. So it exits out of the for loop and returns back to the calling line the value that's in val, which is 5625. That gets passed to this other variable, same name but outside the function, so it's considered to be different. And 5625 is now in this variable called val, and alert. An alert function is executed. The message box pops up with the number 5625 in it. Well, that's what should happen. Let's find out if it does. Here we go. I'm going to click on run. Cross your fingers. And no, the parade of hits. The page at http fiddle jfiddle. No, it's fiddle. .jshell.net says 5625. Wow, we're good. Clicking OK. That's my alert box, message box. Okie dokie, that's it. That's all I have to say. This is George Boole. This is, by the way, an excellent JSFIDDLE is an excellent tool that you can use to test your JavaScript code and HTML and CSS and enjoy and have fun. Okay, that's it. Bye bye now.